Hello students, now let us try to understand dry cell. Okay, this is also quite important. So dry cell is what is doing? It is a compact form of the Laclancy cell known after its discoverer. So dry cell is also known as Laclancy cell. What is happening in this cell? Let us try to understand. A node consists of zinc container while cathode is a graphite rod surrounded by powder MnO2 and carbon. The space between the electrodes is filled with the paste of NH4Cl and ZnCl2. The arrangement is shown in figure. So you see student what are there. So this is the dry cell. Okay, dry cell, or you can say if you want to say other name also for this dry cell, also known as Laclancy cell. Leclanche. Now student, what is happening in this cell? There are electrode and anode and cathodes are there. Okay, so here you see. So first one in the center, what is they are saying? Anode is consist of zinc container. So this is anode is what is this is Zn rod. Okay, let us try to container, while cathode is graphite rod surrounded by, this is the cathode. Okay, cathode. And what is they are saying? Cathode is surround no anode consists of zinc container. So this is that is this container is what is student, that is anode, and this is made up of zinc container. And cathode is what is they are saying for, cathode is a graphite rod. Okay, so this cathode is what student, this is the graphite rod. Okay, this is second point. Now the space between the electrodes is filled with the paste of NH4Cl and ZnCl2. The arrangement is shown in figure. Okay, so there is, this is the MnO2 plus C, and here is outside of this container it is NH4Cl and ZnCl2 is paste is filled. Now see what are the reaction taking place. The reaction taking place in the electrodes are given in their simplified form as follow. So at cathode, what reaction is? MnO2 plus NH4 plus electron is being used. It is there. It is giving MnO plus OH and plus ammonia is being formed. And what is happening at the cathode? If it is now overall reaction. If you talk about anode, the zinc ions Zn2 plus so produce combined with ammonia liberated in the cathodic reaction form the tetraamine zinc second cation. So Zn2 plus 4NH3, this is forming the complex compound. Dry cell do not have long life as NH4Cl, which is acidic, corrodes the zinc container even if the cell is not in used. The cell potential of the dry cell is in the range of 1.25 to 1.5. Okay, let us read out the some of the problem based on it. What is the function of dry cell? This is the most probable question anyone can ask. A dry cell is used a paste electrolyte with only enough moisture to allow current to flow. Unlike a wet cell, a dry cell can operate in any orientation without spilling, as it contains no free liquid, making it suitable for the portable equipment. So dry cell is what, this is a use in the portable equipment, and yeah, they are having the moisturous dry paste as a electrolyte. What is meaning of dry cell? Okay, so dry cell, you see a cell in which the electrolyte exists in the form of paste. A cell in which electrolyte exists in the form of paste is absorbed in the porous medium, or is otherwise restrained from flowing, is known as what, that is dry cell. How do you make no this not, what is difference between dry cell and battery? The battery contain a liquid electrolyte such as sulfuric acid, a dangerous corrosive acid. A dry cell battery does not contain any liquid. Next, where is dry cell used? Laclancy battery, now called a dry cell, is produced in a great quantity and widely used in the device such as flashlight and portable radios. So this is being used there. Which metal is used in the dry cell? Laclancy cell. The traditional dry cell consists of carbon rod cathode, positive terminal, immersed in a moist paste of MnO2, ZnCl2, NH4Cl, and powder carbon, which contain in a metallic zinc anode, metallic zinc anode, negative terminal. Next point. These are the dry cell, you can easily see. And so they are saying anode zinc container. This is the anode zinc container, that is cathode carbon graphite and paste NH4Cl and MnO2, like that they are paste are there. So how the electron is flowing, student? This, if you are connecting this is the cathode and this is the anode. If you are connecting this, and here if you are connecting with the bulb, you will get the electricity, produced electricity. Carbon positive electrode, cathode, electrolyte placed, separator, carbon and the carbon dioxide mixers, zinc negative electrode, like that are there. What is the characteristics? 1.5 volt capacity, plastic wrapper is there, zinc as a anode, okay, electrolyte solution, ammonium chloride, zinc chloride, like that it is filled, and here is carbon rod as a cathode, MnO2, carbon particle that is positively charged will be there, students. So this is all about the tricycle. Thank you so much for watching, students.